You are welcome. In this video, we'll explain you the project program to find LCM. This is a Python program example. So here we want to find the LCM of a two number or three numbers. Now first let's understand what is LCM. So what is LCM? LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple. So what is the meaning of least common multiple? If you take an example here, so here is the number 3. You want to find the LCM for 3 and 5. So what is the LCM for 3 and 5? Now if you take the 3 multiples, 3 is table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, it continues. And you take the 5's table, 5, 10, 15, 20. Now you can see that what is the least both will have. So it will have 15, it will have 15. Even 3 will divide the 15, even 5 will divide the 15. So these two numbers can divide this number, therefore this is the least multiple. Least multiple. What is the next multiple? So 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So in this case 25, 30. Now you can see the next common multiple is the 30. But we want least. So least is 15. Therefore 15 can be divided by 3 as well as 5. Therefore that is the LCM. Okay. So now let's look at some more examples. So what is the LCM? It's simply a smallest of common multiples. So here you want to find the common, that LCM of 4 and 10. So if you take the 4's tables or 4 multiples, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 10's multiple is 10 and 20. So you can continue with this, okay. So in case if you continue with this, you will get 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So in this case it is 30, 40. So next common multiple is the 40. Whereas we are interested in the least, so 20 is the least. So therefore this is the LCM of 4 and 10. So why it is? Because you can see 20 divided by 4 and as well as divided by 10. So both will divide the 20. So 20 divided by 4 you will get 5 times. 20 divided by 10 you will get 2 times. So we are going to divide the, both will divide that particular number. So therefore that is the least common multiple. So the difference between LCM and GCF or SCF, highest common factor, whereas in highest common factor we take the factors, here 12 factors, okay, here you have a 12 number. So these are the factors which are going to divide the 12. These are the 16 and these are the factors will divide the 16. In this, which is the highest number, we are going to divide both the numbers. So therefore they are vice versa. SCF and LCM both are the vice versa. So here is a ladder method to find the LCM or SCF. So there are three numbers here, 48, 72 and 108. So first we will find the least number, we are going to divide all the three. So 2 we will divide all the three with these many numbers, and again 2 will divide these numbers, again 3 will divide numbers. In the next step 2 can't divide because there is a 27, so will not divide. Now 3 will divide this and this term, 4 will be as it is, and 2 will divide 4 and 2 and 3 will be as it is. If you multiply all these things, you will get the least common factor, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 will continue, okay, again 2 and 3, 1 is there, like. So then what is the number we are getting? So if you multiply all these things, you get 432. So therefore 432 is the least common multiple. So this 432 will be divided by 48 as well as 72 as well as 108. Hope you understand the concept. Now let's write the program and check it out how to write the program to find the LCM. If you are not yet subscribe to our channel, so please keep. Okay, so here we started Python. So here a Python shell, and to open a new file, you go to new file, and here is a new file. So it's a Python default editor. I'll use the default editor itself. So let's write the program. So program to find the LCM. So first let's take input n1, that is equal to int input. So please enter a number. Right, this is the n1, and we want one more number to find. So therefore we can change the message to please enter first number and the second number. This is n2. Next what we'll do is we'll say n3, that is equal to max. We'll use the function called the max to find which one is the max, which one is the maximum. So in these two, which one is greater? So we record a greater number. From that point we'll check the which is the next number. Both will divide that particular number. So while we write a while loop, while true, then we'll have if condition here. If n3 is the number, n3 percentage n1, so that is equal to 0. I mean n3 is a new number, okay? So this is the max in between these two. If that divided by n1, if that is equal to 0, and that should be divided by again by n2 also. Therefore you can write n3 divide by n2, and the remainder is equal to 0. Fine. So you can have one more variable called as a LCM var. Let's say first is a 0. Here LCM var is equal to n3. So now you found the number, so therefore you can break the loop. Break. Now we can print the LCM. Print LCM is, this is LCM var. We need to increment the n3 actually, so we have to increment that also. If we don't increment, it will be constant, okay? So therefore only once we'll check. If not, nothing will happen. The n3 need to be incremented. So we have to increment the n3. So we'll not write in the if condition. So we will write outside the if. So therefore you need to go to one back indent. There you need to write n3 is equal to n3 plus 1. You can also write n3 plus equal to 1. That will do the job. Okay. Now let's check it out. Fine. So here one colon is required. We need to put colon here. Right. Now we are incrementing here. Here is the LCM var. Now let us run this. So we'll ask for the first number. Let us enter the first number is 15. So enter the second number 45. Then you can see that 45 is the least common factor because 45 will divide by 45 and 15 divide the 45. And let's run it again. So we'll take 3. We'll take 100. So 300 is the least because 3 will divide the 300, even 100 will divide the 300. Fine. So here is the program, so which is find the LCM of the two numbers. So here is to read the n1, here is to read the n2. Here we will take the max number between these two numbers. Then LCM var is equal to 0. While true, if n3, that is the greatest number, divided by n1. This is the n1 number. If that is equal to 0 and n3 percentage n2, when it divides, if the remainder is 0, then we found the LCM var. That will go and it will break the loop and it will come out to the last statement, print statement, and it will print the LCM variable. Hope you understand the concept. So please try this program, write and execute and check it out. If you get the correct result, well. Also you have to write such a way that with first you can see and write or watch and write, okay fine. But end of the day you have to close everything. So you have to write your own. You should know like how to write the whole concept by your own, and you can also improve this program. Then you are learning or you are gaining the knowledge of the Python. So therefore keep practice, keep learn. So the better chance you will get a good job if you know the complete Python, how to write a different type of programs very efficiently. Hope this video has helped you to learn Python. So what do you think? Please write it in a comment. Let us know what you are thinking. Thank you very much.